See this curl right here? This is a garlic scape. That's telling you that it's almost done. Probably another 20 days or so. Here I am cutting the garlic scape as close to the base as possible. For the last 2 or 3 days, I've been pulling off garlic scapes as soon as they curl, and we'll be cooking them up this year, and they're supposed to have a really good garlicky flavor. You'd be better off using the very thin ends of the garlic scape as toothpicks rather than trying to cook them like you can see I did here in this frying pan. And this also is my first time growing garlic, so I'm taking a lot of advice on what I'm reading, using AI apps to learn more. It seems to find specific answers and plenty of information and sources. So I'm really happy I don't have to weed through people's websites that just mention growing garlic. Use an AI app, Perplexity, Chat GPT or whatever it's called. I'm pretty happy with that. Well, here goes, time for harvest. Approximately 8 months after I planted them back in October of last year. If you have any questions about planting, growing, or harvesting garlic, please put them in the comments. I answer all questions. Also, if you have any tips or advice you want to share with me, also place those in the comments. I might plant them 8 inches apart next season because I was a bit nervous digging around each one because I didn't know how large the garlic bulbs were and I didn't want to hit one. I'll speed things up and pull them all out in just a matter of seconds. Here's a quick look at the entire harvest. Okay, so here are my largest ones that are definitely going to be replanted for next year. The first 2 are definitely the largest. And then there's a bunch of medium ones here. And getting down the line, some smaller ones there, and these need to be consumed right after they cure. It's a good idea to bundle the garlic bulbs 4, 5, or even 6 together as they cure. Here are the garlic bulbs hanging in my barn until they cure in approximately 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the humidity and the relative temperature. Okay, so today is the day. It's been exactly 3 weeks since the garlic has been curing, and this is my first time having grown and harvested garlic. So they said 2 weeks to a full month. So we're right in the middle there. They were in my barn, as you can see, curing, and I would open up the doors to get some good airflow in every single day until about 11 o'clock at night. So they had plenty of air circulation for curing, so I believe that 3 weeks should be that magic number. It's right in between the 2-week period and the full month. So the first thing to do is cut off 2 inches above the neck. I know you can't see it. Well, there you go. You can see it there. Okay, so there it goes. About 2 inches there. There's our garlic. It's the outer paper is very dirty. The roots still have, they're still intact and still have soil attached to them. I better get something to put this dirt in, or I'll be in trouble. I'll be living in the barn. This is perfect. Okay. Try and get off most of the soil as we can. Then we're going to take our pruning shears and just give it a haircut. Roots are very, now that it's dry, the roots are very, very tough. So it's not even cutting through here. I would probably have better luck with scissors. All right. Again, try and get a little bit more soil off of there. Okay, now we're going to take off the dirtiest outer paper. So this way it looks like it came from a grocery store, only this is better because it's fresh, you know what variety it is, and you know it's organic. All right, so that's pretty good. Put that one right there. I bought these mesh bags so that they still get plenty of air. Because I heard that indirect sunlight, they're going to want to sprout again, and they can get all kinds of funky stuff between the paper and the garlic bulbs themselves. So into the mesh bag that one goes, and we'll try another one. These look like they're small, so I'm going to try and separate the largest ones from the smallest ones, so this way I can grow next year. I can use as seed the very largest bulbs in the hopes that they had the largest cloves. Because one thing I have learned and saw during my first year of growing garlic is that if you plant a small garlic clove, you will end up growing a small garlic bulb. So you want to give the best chance, the best fighting chance to get the largest garlic harvest that you can with the largest bulbs. So here goes. So we'll put all the large ones in here. 2 inches. Again, try and get off all the soil that we can. And it's a very, very humid day today, but look at this beauty. All right, let's give him a haircut if we can. Not really liking that there's some more soil up in there. All right, so into the bag this one goes. This is our large bag. I bought a bunch of these on Amazon, so I will be separating large bag, small bag, medium bag. And of course, all the larges are going to go back in the garden next year. I would say by October 15th. That's for my garden zone, which is 7A. Yours would probably be different. And by the way, this is hardneck garlic. Give him a little haircut. Little anger burst there, ripped out his hair. Give that a little tickle. And we'll pull off the dirty outer layer of paper to reveal a beautiful, beautiful, and by the way, it smells good out here. I don't know how I'm gonna look when I finish. I don't know, there may be 40 of these to go, or total. But they say never let them watch you sweat, so that's definitely gonna happen to me. So off comes that paper already before he even got a haircut. Yeah, I wish I had scissors. This would go faster. Got a little tickle. And into the bag we go. That's four large cloves. That bundle's done. These are small ones here. I'll have to just put aside. You can see how small this was. So this I'll bring in and give to my wife. She can cook it up tonight. Okay, paper up. Looks pretty good. Little tickle, just get off a little bit more there. And we'll keep this one aside because it's small. Okay, so I lined up all of the largest bulbs, and back here all the medium-sized bulbs, and like I already stated earlier, I gave my wife probably 7 heads of the smallest. So I'm just going to bag these up now in this mesh bag and bring them down the basement. Please like and subscribe and join us for our next adventure here at home.